How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video I'm going to show you two different ways to set up your Rollo Wireless Thermal Label Printer on your Wi-Fi network. The first way is super easy and I highly recommend trying it, and then the second way is a little bit more pain in the butt, as you'll see in this video. I am confident that you will be able to get your Rollo thermal printer connected to your Wi-Fi network with one of these two options, and you might learn some things about the printer that you didn't already know along the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and let's get into the tutorial. I'm assuming that your printer's plugged in, turned on, labels are loaded, and your LEDs are lit. You want this to be green and you want this one to be white. That means your printer is ready to be set up. If this is another solid color but white, then I want you to actually press this LED, which is also a button, 10 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It'll blink red every single time that you press it, and then it will go red. It'll blink, then yellow and purple. It'll reboot, reset the printer to factory settings, spit out another one of these "Hey There" labels. The reboot process will take a minute or so do be aware of that. We have the white light, the green Rollo button, so we're gonna set this printer up using the first method. It's called WPS. We're gonna activate WPS on our printer, then we're gonna activate WPS on our router. They're going to talk to each other, and that will connect the printer to the router. Super simple. It'll only work if you have a WPS function on your router, which I happen to have. So in order to get the printer into WPS mode, we're going to hold down this white LED button, you press it, and then you're gonna hold it between 6 and 10 seconds. It's going to blink green, and then it's going to blink blue. As soon as you get to blinking blue, you're gonna let go. Then you're gonna have to quickly go to your router. This is a time constraint. You're going to press the WPS button on your router. Mine's on the side. Yours may be on the front, maybe on the back, maybe on the bottom, depending on your model. Ours is an Asus. My router has an LED indicator on the power button right there, blinking, meaning that it's now activated WPS. If you happen to have a mesh network, an Orbi router, or a Google router, you don't have a WPS button, you have a sync button, and you're gonna press that sync button down. If it doesn't connect the first time, try activating WPS on the router first, and then coming back to the printer, holding down the button until you activate the WPS. When it starts blinking blue, there it is. That way that when you activate the WPS on the printer, the router is already in WPS mode and they can connect a little bit easier. As soon as you get the blinking yellow and the purple, which I just did, it will then go to a solid blue, which it just did, meaning that the printer is now indeed connected to your Wi-Fi. Once it's connected to your Wi-Fi, you should be able to take your mobile device that's connected to the same Wi-Fi, select the Rollo printer, sending the signal to the printer, and printing out your thermal label wirelessly. Voila. Pretty simple way to connect it to Wi-Fi and to print. Now we're gonna go to method number 2. The second way to set this up on Wi-Fi is to take a mobile device, go to the camera, you're going to scan the QR code that printed out from your printer from the "Hey There" label. You also could scan the QR code from your setup card, or you can open a browser, type in rollo.com/app, or you could just open up the Play Store or iTunes and type in Rollo, and it'll bring you to the app. It's this purple one by Nilu LLC, and you're going to hit install. Once the app is downloaded, you're going to hit open. Open the app. If you already have a Rollo login, you're going to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you're going to hit sign up, continue, and create an account that way. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in, and that brings us to this screen. We're gonna go to 3 bars at the top, then we're gonna go to settings, and then right here where it says setup printer. It's a little hidden, and if you didn't know, you wouldn't know, but this is how we set up our printer on wireless using the app. We're gonna hit start, make sure your Rollo is switched on, solid green, and then press continue. We're gonna hit continue. Nearby device permissions, we're gonna hit OK. We're going to allow, and now it's using Bluetooth to look for the Rollo printer. It found it. We're gonna click on that, hit continue. It's now connecting to the Rollo. Now it's fetching the Wi-Fi networks. It's only using Bluetooth for the setup. You're gonna pick your home network that you want your printer connected to, that your devices are connected to. Mine is 8-foot ceilings. We're gonna connect to the 5G network, hit continue. Then you're gonna have to put in the password, hit connect, hit join. It is now sending all of that information, the Wi-Fi name and the password from your phone to your printer. I'm getting a blue blinking light on my printer right now, and it says we are connected. I'm gonna hit test label. All set. Thank you for setting me up. It's time to sit back and let your Rollo do the work. You will never have to ink about it. Puns are funny. Once your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, it may do an update and take a couple of minutes, have some blinking lights. Just be patient. I think my printer has done that twice since I've had it, but once you sit back and wait, get the solid blue light, you should be able to open up a print job, a label on your phone, pick the Rollo printer, send the print job to the Rollo printer, and print yourself a beautiful 4x6 thermal label. This video is not a step-by-step how to print on every single device. I'm gonna be coming out with it soon. I'll put a link to it in the description when it's available. That will show you step-by-step how to print on every single device. This was just hooking it up to the Wi-Fi, 2 different methods. Hopefully one of the 2 methods worked for you. Let me know which method worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.